Hi everybody, and welcome to this really quick update video regarding the French doors that I've just fitted to my DIY garden room. Unfortunately, I made a mistake with recording, so I haven't actually captured me fitting the frame into the opening here. This was a mistake on my part, so I have to apologise for that. I do have some footage of me fitting the glazing, but I didn't want to put half a video up. If anyone really wants to see that, let me know in the comments below and I can certainly add that for anyone who wants to see it. But I wanted to just post this quick video here of just me, showing how the doors are opening nice and smoothly, the locking mechanisms all working nicely, and, just show you the progress. What I will say is it's not an extremely complicated process fitting these types of doors. They obviously come like pre-hung. It's just a case of putting the glazing in, adding the beads back in. You've got to make sure everything's packed correctly and fixed, in a correct manner. But it's really not super complicated. But yeah, it's just a quick update, and I'm sure you'll agree it does look very nice. And also I just wanted to mention that there will be a video coming out very shortly after this one with the insulation being added and the vapor barrier, so keep an eye out for that. It'll be coming real soon, and I'll see you in the next video.